How good is rinsing your mouth with salt water?
Great question. So this is kind of like the mama's remedy, right? So anytime you have a problem with your mouth, you rinse it with salt water. Again, what people tend to think, okay, so can I rinse my mouth with salt water instead of flossing? No, you can't do that. So it's not a replacement for your flossing. Can you rinse your mouth with salt water, not have to brush your teeth? So it's not a replacement for your brushing. If you want to do that on the top of your brushing and flossing, you're absolutely welcome to do that. Is it a replacement for your mouthwash, the expensive mouthwash that you buy over the counter? Possible. Sometime it could be close, or at least you're going to get some kind of a replacement, or at least something close to. You don't have to buy the expensive mouthwash, and you can use the salt water. But as long as you're using your toothbrushing and the flossing, so you can try and do that. And then a lot of times patients after oral surgical procedures, when they come to our office and they say like they want to use their the salt water mouthwashes to help them heal better. So absolutely. So we dispense. We ask them to use the salt water mouthwashes in addition to the antibiotic mouthwashes that we dispense, and it does offer some help. So the bottom line is salt water does not hurt, but it is not a replacement for your toothbrushing or the flossing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it doesn't taste as good as those expensive mouthwashes either.
That's exactly right. Right, correct. Yes, sir.
All right.